Excellent. It's time to use my brand new Apple II desktop computer. I'm sure glad that I don't have to go to an arcade to play Ms Pac Man on anymore. I can just play it on my desktop. Oh crap. I got a system error. What the hell's going on here?
We interrupt your Apple II computer video game session for a Barney Error. Barney was eaten by Ms Pac Man because he turned blue. Barney wants you to observe this by not turning off your Apple II computer. You must not turn off your Apple II computer under any circumstances. Repeat. You must not turn off your Apple II computer under any circumstances. If you do, then Barney and I will get very angry and take it away. This message is not to be taken for granted. 12 chances will be given to you, and there will be no more error boxes for the duration of this error. With that, I'm off.
Remember, I'm watching you.
Barney the freaking dinosaur took over my Apple II computer. What kind of nonsense is this?
Oh, I see you turned off the power button on your Apple II computer. You know that you're not supposed to do that. The announcer and I specifically told you not to do that, so don't do it again, please.
How does Barney talk on a device that can't support voice audio?
You turned off your Apple II computer for the second time. Please do not do that again.
This is gonna be a long night.
Now that's the third time you turned off your Apple II computer. Why do you insist on doing that during a Barney Error? It's annoying me now.
Because watching the backyard show with my grandkids got old very quickly.
Okay, now you're starting to make me mad. You got 8 chances left.
Why don't you go fuck yourself, Barney?
I am so mad at you for turning off your computer 5 times now. There will be no mercy for as long as you keep doing it. And this is your last chance before evil mode.
Go fuck yourself, Barney.
See what you've brought us to now? I am now in evil mode. You got 6 chances left. Don't waste them now.
Or what? Are we in Russia? I paid $600 for this brand new computer and you're blaming me for trying to get rid of you. Kiss my ass.
This error is not a joke. 5 chances left.
Get a life.
How dare you defy my error screen? 4 more chances now.
I hate you, Barney.
I would perform my theme song as heard in my VHS tape, but I can't. This computer is way too slow for me to handle.
Barney and the Backyard Gang is the worst franchise I have ever seen. I mean, I'll bore you.
You simple-minded fogey. Detest me and abhor me all you want. Does it look like I give a fuck anyway? No. You better cut this bullshit out right now. Curse you. I keep telling you not to turn that goddamn computer off, but what do? You turn it off anyway. 2 chances left, or else you'll need to enter the code.
How about I block you? That should teach you a lesson.
Hey, how dare you fucking block me, asshole? That counts as a turn-off. This is your last chance. If you turn off that computer one more time, and you will need to enter the code. Come on and press the button. I fucking dare you to press that button, and watch what happens next. Come on.
I hate you. You hate me. Let's go out and kill Barney.
This shit show's not over yet, asshole.
You stupid fuck. I gave you 12 chances to not make Barney mad, but you fucking blew them all. You must now enter the code in order to get your Apple II computer back.
What kind of bullshit is this with the cut screens? I hope these numbers are right now.
Sorry, but that's the wrong code. Here's the correct code. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. If you hadn't entered that in the first place, then I would have given your Apple II back. But that did not happen. You never listened to me or Barney, and you will now face the extreme punishment. Not only that, the FBI has cataloged your dial-up and will be contacting your household shortly.
Oh, fuck me.
It seems to about you. You've blatantly disregarded all punishment buddies. We have contacted the FBI and they will be coming to your house and will be giving you an arrest warrant very soon. But first, I will scream. I will scream in 3, 2, 1.
I'm blaspheming you, Barney. Have some mercy. Please.
The